to start my first math video, I just want to start with a prayer. So my daughter Preksha is going to recite a prayer for me.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Thank you, Preksha. So let's start the class. So maths is a study of numbers, shapes and patterns. So today we are going to learn about 4 fundamental operations and their terms. So let's start with addition. So what is an addition? Addition is nothing but putting together. So here the symbol of addition is plus, and the terms of in addition are, for example, let me take 20 plus 15, that is equal to 35. So here we are going to add two numbers and the result we get. So here for these two numbers are called addends. Add-ends, and the result what we get is called sum or total. Sum or total. I'll repeat once again. The terms which we add, the numbers which we add are called addends and the result is called sum or total. Yes, so let me continue with the next operation, that is subtraction. So here the symbol of this subtraction is minus, and the terms, the numbers which we take are called, for instance, let me take 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So here this number and this number and this number, we have a name for that. We have a certain name. So the first one, the bigger number, is called minus. Generally, whenever we subtract bigger number minus smaller number, and the smaller number is called subtrahend, and the result is called difference. I'll repeat once again. The symbol of subtraction is minus. The bigger number which we take to subtract is called minus, and the smaller number is called subtrahend, and the result is called difference. Yes, so let's go for the next operation, that is multiplication. Now the next operation is multiplication. Yes, so the multiplication symbol is into. So we take two numbers, for instance 12 into 8, that is 96. Yes, so the first number which we are multiplying is called multiplicand. The number which is multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which is multiplied is called multiplier, and the result is called product. I repeat once again. The first number which is multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number which is multiplied is called multiplier, and the result is called product. Yes, let me go for the next one, that is division. So the division symbol is a horizontal line, and you have a dot in the above and in below. And let me take an instance. 50 divided by 5. So 5 tens 50. So here you can see that 50 is divided by 5. So this 5 is called divisor. This 5 is called divisor. and the number which is divided is called dividend. Is called dividend. And the answer we get is called quotient. Quotient. And the result, the answer, the leftover one is called remainder. Yes, I repeat once again. The symbol of division is a horizontal line and a dot above and down. And the number which is divided is called dividend. The number which divides is called divisor. The answer in division is called quotient. And the leftover one number is called remainder. Yes. So these are the 4 mathematical operations. So let me recap once again all the concepts. Yes. So let me repeat the terms once again. So the numbers which we add are called addends. The result of addition is called sum or total. So these 2 terms are related to the addition. Yes, as I told, the symbol of it is plus. Yes, so the next term, when we subtract, we normally subtract bigger number minus smaller number. So the bigger number is called minand, the smaller number is called subtrahend, and the result is called difference. So these 3 terms are related to the subtraction. And the symbol of this is minus. So next comes multiplication. The number which is multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which multiplies is called multiplier. The result is called product. And so these 3 terms are related to the multiplication. Yes, and the symbol of this multiplication is into. And the next one, that is the last 4th operation, divisor. A number which divides is called divisor. The number which is divided is called dividend. Answer in division is called quotient, and the leftover one is called remainder. So these are related to the division. And the symbol for this division is an horizontal line and 2 dots above and down. So I repeat once again, the main term, the result of addition is called sum or total, and the result in subtraction is called difference, and the result in multiplication is called product, and the result in division is called quotient. Thank you for watching.